cannot get out of these jeans. Look, like seriously will not move. How am I meant to get out of these? I honestly don't think they'll, I cannot get these off because they won't go down. Look, like seriously won't go down. Oh my god, I'm actually stuck. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually so excited to film this because, well, you've probably seen from the title, so it's the Pretty Little Thing times Molly Mae collection, and this collection is just a bit of me. Like, it's just pieces that you can put together really easy, so you can just chuck something on, you've got a whole outfit. Like, that is perfect. So it's more of like a streetwear type of vibe, I'd say, but she does have a few like dressy pieces in here as well. Before I do jump straight on into it, I'm gonna try get into it quick today. I just wanted to give a big shout out to falseeyelashes.co.uk because they actually sent me over some lovely Sosu lashes. They are beautiful. I've actually got on a pair today, so I've got on Pride today. These are lovely, so they're like the fluffiest lashes. I've cut them quite a bit, so they're more on like the outer corner of my eye, but I love these. So they sent me Greed and Vanity as well, and then some other like eyelash accessories. Yeah, so thank you so much, the lovely people over at falseeyelashes.co.uk. I will link the lashes down below, the ones that they sent me, because honestly girls, you need to check them out. They are beautiful. And obviously I will link all these pieces down below as well, so you guys can check them out really easy. Before I keep talking, I can see the stuff, I want to get into it, so let's jump straight on to the video. Okay, so we're gonna have to start with my favourite item. Well, from looks, from first impressions, I think this is gonna be my favourite item. So it is the black blazer dress from the collection. I just think this is beautiful. So obviously you're gonna see it better on, but it's just a black blazer dress. It's got shoulder pads in it, just for your reference, in case you guys don't like that, or you do like that, then they do have shoulder pads. It does have these lovely gold buttons, which I think just makes it look that extra bit nice, if you can see that. And then at the bottom, like my favourite part is this. So it's got like a lace insert underneath, so it almost looks like a lace dress is poking through. It just looks really beautiful, really elegant, and it's something a little bit more girly to a blazer dress, I think, because obviously, I don't know, there's something about them, they're nice to dress up, but they're not like the most girliest of outfits, if that makes sense. So this just kind of adds a bit of like femininity to it, so I do really like that. I think this was about £35, but I'm not 100% sure. As I said, I will link everything down below, but I'm so excited to try this on because I think this is going to be really nice, and it actually looks like it's going to be a good length on me, so fingers crossed, because at the minute this is my favourite. Okay, so this is the blazer dress that I've just shown you, and I am even more impressed on. Like, I love this. So I did actually size up to a size 12, and I'm actually really glad that I did, because the sleeves I think would have been a bit tight for a 10. It is quite low here, but to be honest, I think it's fine. Like, I'm buttoned in, it's not going anywhere, so I'd be comfortable just wearing this as it is. But obviously you could just chuck like a bralette or something underneath if you'd feel a bit more comfortable. Yeah, it's a lovely length as well. So as I've said many times before in my videos, I'm 5'6½", and this is a really good length for me. Quite often blazer dresses are too short, so this is perfect. So if you are a little bit shorter, just keep that in mind. You might have to get it brought up a little bit, or you can just wear it a bit longer. With the first piece, I'm actually really impressed, so definitely check this one out. They also do it in white, which I will link down below if these are still in stock. Okay, next, something completely different. This is like proper casual, and the other one was quite dressy. So this is the t-shirt that was in the collection. I feel like in the picture on Pretty Little Thing, it comes up a lot more grey. I'll insert it here. This one is a bit more, I'd say in person, it's more of like a dusky lilac-y pink. Kind of, I don't know what sort of colour it's picking up on camera, but nonetheless it is really nice. So obviously it's just got like sand nudie writing, it just says 1987 New York on the front, and then obviously the main detailing is on the back, so it's just got like this big motif on the back. Again, it says the same sort of thing, New York City World Tour 87. I picked this up in a size large because I looked to see what Molly was wearing in the pictures, and she was wearing a large, and I think she's like a size smaller than me anyway, so I wanted it to be oversized. I thought with some cycling shorts or even with some leggings, this will look really cute, and obviously just some trainers. So yeah, really like this one. Obviously a t-shirt's just a t-shirt, but I really like the detail and the big design on the back. Hopefully this looks nice and it's like big enough, because I like them really boxy and oversized, so we'll see that on the try on obviously. Okay, so I feel like in every clip my hair is just going to get messier and messier, so please ignore if I look like I've been drugged for about 20 hinges by the end of this. But this is the oversized t-shirt that I picked up. As I said before, it is a different colour to what it looks online, so this is probably more of a true like colour actually than what I showed you previously, just because it's different lighting on me. I picked this up in a size large, and it is actually a really nice fit on. It is quite big and boxy like I wanted. Obviously there's not loads to say about it because it is just a t-shirt, but for a casual outfit I do actually really like it. I would just wear it with cycling shorts and trainers like I've got on now, or just some leggings, or yeah, just lounge around the house in it really. So I do really like it. It's a good length, it's a good size. Yeah, I like it, it's cute. Okay, so this next item I feel like has had a bit of like controversy around it. I think people have been saying like this was on the website last year or something, now you can buy it again. But to be honest, I'm just not really bothered. Like, she's probably just put her name to some stuff and then designed some bits herself, if that makes sense. By the time I actually got on there, some of it was already sold out, so I did have to pick up this blazer in a size 14. So yeah, it's just a really nice oversized blazer. It does say super oversized already, so I think this is probably going to be quite big, but I just really liked the look of it. I thought this with like some cycling shorts or some leggings and a plain top underneath would just be really cute. It's obviously just got the one button in the middle, or maybe just like a simple crop underneath, I think would be really nice. So yeah, hopefully it's not too oversized. I think it might be. I could have done with a 10 really, but hopefully it's not too bad. So I'm going to try that on in a minute, obviously. It is quite creased, so excuse that in the try on clips, because obviously I can't iron it in case I don't want to keep it and I ruin it, you know. Okay, so this actually would be perfect to go under that blazer. So it is just this crop top. It is like a racer back at the back and then like a little V in the front, and it's just elasticated around the bottom. So this is kind of just like sports bra sort of style top, which I really like just because they're so easy to chuck on or underneath stuff like that blazer. I think this is really reasonable. I think it's about £6. To be honest, I think it might be a little bit see-through. Not sure. I think these lights make everything look worse anyway, but we'll soon see when it's on. If I'm standing there like this, then obviously it's see-through, but hopefully not. So yeah, I really like it. It's just, I think it said white. Did this say it's white? Basic. Doesn't even say a colour, but I'm pretty sure on the website it said white, but it is actually like a cream, like an off-white cream sort of colour. Okay, so this is the oversized blazer. As I said previously, I had to pick this up in a size 14 because they've actually sold out of a 10, which is really annoying. I think it is too oversized, which is annoying because I actually really wanted a blazer like this. It's just a little bit too big. Like here, there's a lot of excess room and the back. Well, to be fair though, they do describe it as super oversized, so I did think it's going to be like this. I don't know if I mentioned before, but it does actually have shoulder pads, so if you don't like that, then this maybe isn't the blazer for you. You do actually have the crop top underneath on as well, so it is literally just a plain crop top. I don't think it's that see-through. I mean, it is a little bit, but don't forget I've got all these lights on me, so just every day you'd probably be fine. You probably could get away with wearing a strapless bra as well. I just don't actually have one to hand at the minute. So yeah, really impressed with this. I probably will keep it, to be fair, but this jacket is just too big, so it's gonna have to go back. They did actually have this in black as well, but it wasn't part of the Molly May's collection, and they did have a lot more sizes in that, so I will link that down below because I think this is completely sold out. Okay, so let's go on to some of the denim pieces in the collection. So I actually picked up 2 pairs of jeans from this collection, but one of them has actually come damaged already, which is really annoying, but that's the other pair, so we'll get to that in a minute. These are the lighter pair that were in the collection, and they're more of just a straight down leg jean. I really like these. The only thing I will say, girls, is they are quite long, like really long. I'm 5'6.5" and I'm pretty sure these are going to be long on me, but we'll see that on the try on clip. But for the minute, I just really liked these because the bottom of the ankle, the bottom of the jean, if that makes more sense, is like a split hem, so I really like that. I think if you wear some nice ankle boots under it or something, they'll look really good. They are high-waisted, which obviously is just ideal because I can't be wearing anything low. Like, if I've eaten a lot, then I just feel extra fat, and I don't need that sort of negativity, you know. But this wash of jean is just like my favourite. It's just a perfect, like, authentic denim type colour, and it feels actually really good quality denim. It's not stretchy at all. Quite a rigid denim, but sometimes I like that if you're going for that sort of look. Okay, so these are the jeans that I was showing you, obviously the lighter pair. They are long, like I thought. I'm just going to pan you guys down. Good boy. How are you watching? Okay, so these are the jeans. Obviously they are quite long, but if I'm on a hill, if I was wearing a pair of heels with these, then they would be perfect for me. But as I say, I am a little bit taller, so if you girls are shorter, then these probably won't be any good for you. You can see even when I'm on a hill, they like overhang my feet. But yeah, other than that, these actually fit really nicely, like around the legs, the waist. They're really high-waisted, that I hope they would be. I just really like the style of these. You could probably see better in this mirror, to be honest, but the fit on the legs is just a little bit looser, and I quite like that. Obviously on the bum it's tight because it always is with me, because if you've been here before, the bum barely fits in anything. Yeah, I really like these. They're just, it's just a shame they're that long because they are a little bit too long. I mean, for me with a heel, I think they'll be fine, but I am probably like above average for height, so a little bit annoying. But if you guys are a little bit taller, then definitely try these out because they're just that little bit different, and they're just that perfect colour denim in my eyes. So yeah, really like them. It's just a shame I don't think they're going to be suitable for anyone like under my height really, which is annoying. Okay, so these are the other pair of jeans I was talking about, but unfortunately they came in like the zip bit was halfway up. Can you see that? So obviously it's not doing up, which is really handy. But I'll talk you through them anyway, and I'll try and get them on the best that I can. So these are obviously quite a lot of a darker denim, and they've obviously just got massive like slits in them. But I really like these. They're not like massive holes, they're just slits, if that makes sense. You'll probably see it better on. These again do look like they're going to be quite long, but not as long as the others. And hopefully they're going to be high-waisted. But yeah, I thought I'd just pick these up because I don't actually own anything in this denim, and they looked really good on Molly on the website. So yeah, hopefully they look cute. But I did actually pick up the matching denim jacket as well, so I'll show you that now, and then I'll try them on as one outfit. This is the matching denim jacket. So obviously it's a cropped jacket. It's super cropped though. Like if you don't want anything too cropped, I've got a feeling this is just going to be like under your boob. Then this might not be for you. We'll see what it looks like on. I don't know if it's going to fit funny. But yeah, again, exactly the same colour denim. It's really nice, rigid denim. I say rigid if it's a bad thing. Like, it's just like a typical denim. It's not like stretchy like Joni jeans or anything. So I'll try those on together and we'll see what we think. Okay guys, so I have the two-piece on. Obviously, as I said earlier, these jeans are broken. They're just past the point of return. They're gone. They're done. So I've just done the button up just so you guys can see. They are a really nice fit actually on the leg. The only thing I would say is they're a little bit tight here and the waist, but these are a 12, so that's quite weird. Normally a 12 is big around my waist. I just have to get them because my legs are a bit bigger. So probably size up in these if you are going to get them. The jacket is nice, but as I said earlier, it is very cropped. It almost sits a bit funny where it is so cropped. Like if you was to do it up, which she had done up in the thing, I don't really know how, it kind of sits weird. So I don't know if I'm a fan of the jacket. The jeans I do really like. They are a little bit different and they're not actually as long as I thought they would be. I'm going to pan you down now so you can actually see like the full leg of the jean, and then I'll pan you back up again. Okay, so there is the full like length of the jeans. They're not as long as I actually thought they were going to be. They are really nice. They are really different. Like the rips kind of go past the middle of the leg kind of round to the back on both sides as well, which I quite like. Yeah, so overall this set I'm not like amazed by. To be honest, they were broken when they arrived, and the jacket's like a little bit of a weird fit. I don't know if that's just me, but I just don't really like it. Just feels weird. There feels like there's too much material around this bit. I don't know. Okay, so the last item of clothing that I have before I move on to the shoes that I bought, which by the way I absolutely love, so definitely stick around and have a little sneak peek of those because they are beautiful. It is this cargo shirt. So obviously it's just in this like nudie beige colour with these silver popper buttons. So the one thing I'm actually really impressed is the quality of this shirt. So for a start, the buttons are like thick. Can you see? It just makes them look more expensive. They don't look flimsy. They just add that little bit more detail. And the material of the shirt itself is actually really nice, and like a actual cargo-y material. I don't know why. I thought it was just going to be like a thin cottony shirt type thing, and it actually looks like it's going to be quite a good length if I can show you as well. So hopefully this is nice on. It's obviously just got the two pockets at the front. I think in the video Molly Mae was actually wearing like a seatbelt belt. I never know what to call them. I just call them seatbelt belt. Round the middle. I did actually try grabbing one, but they only had it in khaki, and I didn't think khaki would go with this. She had like a nudie same sort of colour one on. Okay, so this is like the cargo shirt dress. I do really like this. It's a really like comfy material, and I like these pockets here. The only thing is I do think it looks better drawn in at the waist, like Molly had it in the video. I don't know, it just gives it a bit more shape, otherwise it kind of just hangs. It is nice and I would wear it like this, but I do think it would look better with a belt around the middle. So if I can find one, then I probably would get one to go with this. I'll try link one down below if I can find one for you guys. But overall, as I said before, the quality is lovely. The length is actually really good as well. I was worried a little bit about the length. I do have cycling shorts underneath at the minute, and I think you can see them slightly at the side. I probably would be comfortable in going out in this, to be honest. You can see it in this mirror here. It's not actually too short. So yeah, really good length, really good quality, and it's just one of those pieces just easy to chuck on if you're looking for an outfit just to like get dressed in and run out the door. Which, this is why I really like this collection, because it is lots of pieces like that. So if you guys do just like easy bits to chuck on, then yeah, definitely give this one a go. Okay, last but not least, the shoes. I love these shoes. So they are, I picked up some boots. So I think these are beautiful, just because obviously autumn winter's coming up. I feel like boots are really handy to have in autumn winter, obviously because it's colder, but you can dress them up or dress them down. So I love these just because they've got a square toe, so they're a little bit different. You probably see them better like that. And also I thought these would be a really good casual boot as well, because the heel is so chunky. Like, look how chunky that is. Like, it's gonna be comfy. I did actually pick these up in a size 6, and I have already tried these on, so I would say If you are between sizes, go for the bigger size that you're between. So I'm between a 5 and a 6, so I got these in a 6 and they're perfect. But I think if I'd got them in the 5, they would have been a little bit too tight, especially around the ankle. I don't know if that makes a massive difference in shoe sizes, but they were quite tight. And they also did these in like a mockery brown colour as well, so if black is not really your thing, then definitely check those out because they looked really nice as well. And I'm actually tempted to get those too because I need them for some winter. Okay guys, that is actually everything that I picked up. I really actually like the whole concept of the collection and the designs in it. It's just a shame that I missed out on some of the sizes and those jeans arrived broken. But other than that, I actually do really like all the pieces if they fit me correctly. So yeah, really impressed. I will leave all the links down below like I said before. Some of it might be sold out, so I'll either leave it in another colour or yeah, maybe something similar if I can find it. I will leave my Instagram here for you guys. Head over and follow me on there. I update like when I'm going to post my videos and stuff on there if you want to know for future uploads. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.